We just heard that over 50,000 of you folks in the oil industry are without a job. I know that that's not a pleasant experience. I've experienced that myself and understand the feelings, and sometimes you feel like you're being betrayed, but don't fear. There's opportunity. Hi, I'm Terry Cooper. I'm the Managing Director here at the National RV Training Academy in Athens, Texas. It was just released that the number 3 fastest growing career opportunity here in the United States is RV technicians. Most of you are already living in an RV, working on the pipelines and working on the drilling rigs and all the different tasks that are associated with the oil industry. So having lived in these RVs, you understand the importance of having a good technician close by to take care of things. Instead of working till you get laid off and then get called back and work till you get laid off and get called back, why not invest in you? You have the skills and talents that you can use. I recently read that we only have 1 technician for every 15,000 RVs. Now, these aren't certified technicians. These are just guys calling themselves technicians, and sometimes their quality of workmanship is not where it needs to be. We need to have in this industry to be successful and to take care of the needs that we have, to have probably about 1 technician for every 500 RVs. Here's an opportunity for you to develop a fast-growing business that you can take care of you and your family. We have students that are leaving class and have already been booked to do service work when they get back home. It's very simple. What we need you to do is to give us a call or visit our website, come to class, develop some new skills so you can launch your business to take care of yourself and your family.